Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 7 of the series Moonlight Chicken. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. As Alan met with an accident, so for the sake of an old time, Wen was there as his caregiver. Alan knew that Wen would be uncomfortable around him, so he asked his sister to take care of him. As he leaves, he realizes that now he has to let go Wen. And now Jim has finally opened his heart to Wen. Jim goes to Gaipa's shop and was worried for him. Gaipa's mother knew everything and was just observing both of them. Gaipa is trying his best to be normal and keep calm around Jim, and Jim can see it. Liming's mom, Jam, has come to see him. She tells him that she wants to remarry and wants Liming to go back with him, but he refuses as he wants to take decisions for himself and is not ready to go back. As he was about to leave for Hart's house, Jim came and confronted him about his relation with Hart. He wants him to study and not to be in any relation with Hart. But Liming has just one question, and that is, why are the rules different for adults and kids? Jam saw everything. She is not happy to hear about Liming and asks Jim to help her to talk to Liming to go back with her. She also lends a property deed to Jim, which he has asked for. Jim meets Wen and tells him everything. He blames himself for Liming to become a gay as he was living with him. Wen tries to make him understand that it is totally someone's choice that what they are and he has nothing to do with it. Wen is so good at comforting Jim. Wen asks Jim to try to listen to Liming. Wen is always trying to get the confirmation of what Jim thinks about him. He also teases Jim that if he would make him wait so much, then one day he might give up and disappear. Jim assures him of his affection as he can't let Wen go. Gaipa's mother collapsed and passed away. He was shattered. He performed the last rituals. Alan came to meet Gaipa on behalf of his bank as Mrs. Hong, Gaipa's mother, has purchased a number of insurances from them and they needed some documents from Gaipa for it. Hart and his parents also came to give their condolence. Jim recollects how after Bame's death, his parents took away everything what Jim had as all their bank accounts were in his name and he was just left with the diner and the debt. Alan blamed Jim for his breakup. Jim said that he wasn't there when they broke up, but still he would apologize to him. Jim asks Liming if he wants to go back and live with his mother. Liming refuses as he has not been with her since last 6 years and now out of the blue he can't love her. But he says if someone asks him if he loves Jim, he would definitely say yes. Jim is now trying to understand him. Liming was trying to explain his mother that he doesn't want to go there because he will not be comfortable there. Jim tried to convince Jam to let Liming take decisions for himself. The first time they are sitting together and are happy. Everyone was there at Gaipa's mother's last rituals. Finally, Wen is ending his relation with Alan and Jim with his diner. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 8. Thank you.